Welcome, our Niger Gist News. A few days ago, James Ononnefa Ibori, the former governor of Delta State, will soon have more than £100 million, $129 million, taken from him by a court in the UK. This occurs roughly 6 years after Ibori returned to Nigeria after serving a prison term for accusations related to fraud and money laundering. The trial of Ibori's confiscation proceedings began in February 2017. He had been charged by British authorities with stealing public monies and laundering them through UK banks and assets. Judge David Tomlinson of Southwark Crown Court reportedly reached factual conclusions about the amount of money connected to the former governor. In a hearing on Thursday, the prosecution and defense submitted their positions regarding how the confiscation amount should be determined based on the judge's findings. And following a shady gain of some cover-up, Bhadresh Gohil, an attorney of Indian descent, was ordered by a UK court on Monday to pay more than £28 million in expenses related to illegal activities. In a prior case, involving accusations of corruption against James Ibori, a former governor of Delta State, Gohil was convicted guilty of fraud and money laundering. Gohil, 58, was found guilty on Tuesday of money laundering, impeding an inquiry into money laundering, and conspiring to cheat in connection with a corruption case involving his client Ibori, according to the Press Trust of India. He was found guilty of these offences in 2010 and sentenced to 10 years in jail. Gohil was found to have benefited to the tune of £42.4 million, according to the UK's Crown Court, and the judge determined that he has available assets of £28.2 million to pay a confiscation order or serve another 6 years in prison, according to court documents released on Monday by Southwark Crown Court in London. Chief Crown Prosecutor in the CPS Proceeds of Crime Division as saying that the amount that both defendants have benefited from their criminality has been highly contested, but thanks to the hard work of our dedicated team and that of the National Crime Agency, we have been able to uncover the full extent of their corruption. This has led to the making of confiscation orders of over £128 million, which will ultimately result in the return of funds back to the people of Nigeria. Do not forget to like, follow, or share. If you're watching from our YouTube channel, please subscribe and share.